What's going on YouTube? So today what we're going to be going over is how to set up a free trial on a website building website, and the website is websites.godaddy.com. And what this is going to provide for you is one, a domain name, two, a website building tool, and three, a host. Now, if you're new to doing this and you've never built a website before, you're going to need all three of those components to actually maintain your website and in operating condition. Otherwise, if you don't have all three of those tools, then you won't have a website. So, okay, here we have kind of already set up. I've already set up a website, and this is the dashboard, and basically this is the website building tool that allows you to make changes and add your your home button, your whatever it may be that you want, your links. And I'll just kind of scroll down so you can see more of how. And this is a very basic. I didn't do very much to this already built page. They kind of have they have their own platforms that you can just kind of work off of. It's very simple. It's very easy. Even adding links and action buttons, and we're gonna go over all that stuff. So this is gonna be a short video, but click on my other videos to get further information, and we'll go into more depth of how to do this. But I just wanted to show you in this first video the basic format of almost, took me 5 minutes to establish. And you can see here I'll click on one of my links, which was really easy to set up again, and it'll take me right to whatever link you want to set up. Mine in particular was Best Buy, so there it is, Best Buy. And I'll just show you, as for this demonstration video, I set up a product knowledge for you website. So basically, if I were to keep this website, it would provide knowledge about products. And so here's some of the tool functions. We have a header, which you'll see right here is where this area of the website is, and I'll scroll down so you can kind of see more of it here. Now it's all grayed out because we're in the editing portion of it. So what you can do here is you can change the layout, and they have multiple layouts for you. And again, this is a free trial, so there may be more features when you get the full version, and it's good for 30 days. And you can kind of build a, I wouldn't put too much time into your website if this is something that you may not want. You may want to use another provider, so just be wary. I would just kind of skim through it, put it together and spend as little time as possible. That way you don't waste too much of your time doing this, because you may at the end want to do something else and not use this particular provider. So just a forewarning, and again, it's free. You don't have to put up a credit card or anything like that. I have these logos on here because it was just part of my demonstration website. So anyway, so I'll go ahead and scroll down, and we're gonna change our header here. So we'll go to this one, and again, I've already kind of put this together, so it's not going to look exactly like this. Off to the right here is one of their preloaded pictures. I chose another picture for the left side. That's all kinds of fun stuff you can do with that. So now I chose my header, and we'll go ahead and click done. And then here you can type in your information about your header. And this is the top here. So you can pick a cover photo. Obviously you can see, I don't know if you could see, but I picked the PayPal account because my website is productknowledgeforyou.com. Welcome to Product Knowledge. I'm the president. Let's get started. Shop on places like eBay for third-party purchasing online using PayPal. Again, this is just a demonstration just to show you the things that you can do with your website and kind of how to get that going. So there's the cover photo. Cover photo 2, you can see, is on the right hand side. So you can choose a number of things. They have preloaded ones, and you can also choose your own photos from your photo library on your laptop or whatever it may be, your home PC. The logo, now the logo is going to be up top. I don't actually have one on here, but what this will do is it'll put a small little picture. Now you can choose one of their preloaded pictures that they have, and they have some pretty cool designs and pictures already on the website itself that you can choose from, or again you can choose from your library. Now this is the action button. What this tool will do, when you click on this, it'll allow you to operate this this action button here, because when we picked the header before, it gave us this preloaded header with like all this information up here. These won't be there, but you'll have the option to add them, and I'll get into that further in our next video. These are going to be a little bit of a lengthy video, so bear with me. So back to this is an action button, and you'll want to click this to on to get it going, and then you're going to type in the label, so that'll be what it says on the actual button itself. Now they'll have a preset label on there, and you'll see that when you do this, and we'll get into that more, and I'll start from the beginning for those of you that want the entire step-by-step process. This is just for people that kind of have prior knowledge to how to navigate through websites and just want to see how this tool works before wasting any time. But for now, we'll continue, and so you'll have the option to add a link. Now what that'll do is you'll be able to click, and then you'll go to whatever link that you established in the URL here. And oh yeah, also you can choose from like stuff up on your home button up on the top here, so it'll allow you to do that as well. I chose another URL, and I chose eBay. So okay, there's that gets your header going, and then you can come down, and then you want to back out, or you can click the X button, either way. And then you're going to go to, now I'll scroll down so you can see where I'm at here. And again, this is all a preset web page, and you'll have multiple ones to choose from when you start doing this. And you can choose whichever one you want, and you can change each section. As you can see, there's this section, there's this section, and there's different formats for each section, and you can make them whatever it is you want. There's a lot of capabilities as far as really customizing your sections and for your website. And okay, so mine is want to blog about it. That's my second section here, and I didn't really establish too much on this, so we won't go into that. But let me just click on it for you. So this, and again, this with the preloaded build here, you get the ability to actually set up a blog on your website if you feel the need to do so. I did not. But that's kind of just the general outline of that particular one, this particular section for this particular website building layout. And there's multiple layouts. So I'm just going to scroll down, Again, you guys, this is just my tutorial stuff. Don't pay any attention to all this. This is the actual design of the section. You'll have this format, but you won't have any of this information on here. This is just my demonstration to show you guys how cool this is. Actually pretty neat. And so yeah, online purchasing, and again, these are the action buttons like I spoke about before, and you can change those in the same way. In each section, they'll allow you the option to do that, and you just you click on the section. Okay, so these are all the sections for those of you that don't know. And I'll scroll down, and for this layout, which you have options to select multiple layouts, like I said before, you have all these different sections on the actual layout itself as you scroll down, and you can adjust all of them and add links, URLs, whatever it is that you want to your website. And that's basically it, guys. That's the web building tool portion of the GoDaddies.com website building tool. And once you have it all set up, it's pretty neat. You can go directly to the URL. Now, bear in mind, when you set up a website and you're getting started for the first time, and you're going to want to go to Google and see if I can search up my website on Google. It's not going to happen right away. It takes up to 4 to 6 weeks for Google to actually crawl your website, and that it takes time. And the best thing you could do is probably just tell your friends about it. Kind of establish it that way. But give it some time, and if you're serious about actually having a real website for your company or whatever it may be that you need your website for, you're probably going to want to pay for the full version. Now, your first year on this particular site, websites.godaddy.com, after the 30-day trial, you'll be prompted to pay for the full year, and you have to pay for the full year up front. Now, you got to understand that you need the website building tool, as well as the host and the domain name. All three of those components are required to maintain your website, and they have a 1-800 number that you can call them 24/7. They're really great on their customer service, and they'll provide you all kinds of information as well on what that why you need all those components, and how much that's going to cost, because they do have multiple options as far as when you do want to pay for this service. And it's really great. And I'll let you know that the first year they're going to want the whole fee up front, and then after your first year you'll be able to pay the monthly fee. For this particular one on this video, I think it comes out to about $100 or so, and that includes everything: the website building tool, as well as the host and the domain name, which is all the things that you're going to need. And that would include the entire year for your website to function, for you to be able to go on there and make adjustments and what have you. So I hope you guys liked this YouTube video. Click like if you did, and I'm going to be posting more videos. This is my first video. I apologize for my my unprofessional video here, but hopefully they'll get better, and I hope you liked it. And stay tuned, because my next videos are going to be more in depth about setting up an actual website and what you can do with your website once it's all up and running. All right, you guys, take care.